Everyone loves fluffy pancakes, but what if I told you there's a secret ingredient that takes them to a whole new level? Forget everything you thought you knew, because this changes the game. Start simple, whisk your eggs and milk together lightly. Remember, the goal is to incorporate, not overmix. Now add your dry ingredients. But the key to that ultimate rise isn't just in the mixing. It's in one powerful, simple ingredient. Ready for it? It's Greek yogurt. Add a generous spoonful to your batter. The acidity reacts with your leavening agents, creating incredible air pockets that make your pancakes soft, tall, and irresistibly fluffy. Now pour that beautiful batter onto a hot pan and just watch the magic happen. See them puff up golden, airy, and perfectly light. Try it for yourself and taste the secret to perfect mornings. For more kitchen secrets and delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.